Differentiation, the four-step rule, exercise number 2. Find dy dx when y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 1. Just like the methods that we used in the previous exercise, we substitute y with y plus delta y and x plus delta x squared minus 3x plus delta x plus 1. Okay? Now, we solved for delta y is equal to x plus delta x squared minus 3x plus delta x plus 1 minus y. Now, we substitute the value or the equivalent of y. So, we have delta y is equal to x plus delta x squared minus 3x plus delta x plus 1 minus what is y equal to? X squared minus 3x plus 1. Now we expand the right hand side of the equation. We have delta y is equal to, we expand this, x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 3 times x, 3x, negative 3 times delta x minus 3 delta x plus 1. Now we remove the parentheses, becomes minus x squared, negative negative, and that will give us positive or plus 3x, negative, positive, and that will give us a minus 1. Now, we simplify the right hand side of the equation. We have delta y is equal to, so we cancel terms, x squared minus x squared. Now we have 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 3x plus 3x, so we cancel, and then we have minus 3 delta x. We have a plus 1 and a minus 1, so we now cancel. Now, we divide both sides of the equation by delta x. And so we have delta y over delta x is equal to 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 3 delta x divided by or over delta x. Now we simplify again the right hand side of the equation. We have delta y over delta x is equal to 2x delta x divided by delta x. We have 2x plus delta x squared divided by delta x. We have plus delta x Minus 3 delta x divided by delta x, we have a minus 3. Now, we solve for dy dx. dy dx is now equal to the limit of 2x plus delta x minus 3 as delta x approaches 0. Applying the rules of limits, we have the limit of 2x as delta x approaches 0. Now we erase this mark. Plus the limit of delta x as delta x approaches 0 minus the limit of 3 as delta x approaches 0. So now we have the dy dx as the limit of 2x as delta x approaches 0, and that is equal to 2x. The limit of delta x as delta x approaches 0, and that is equal to 0. The limit of 3 as delta x approaches 0 is equal to minus 3. This is equal to the constant 3. And here is the answer. Dy dx is equal to 2x minus 3.